I'm Anupa and welcome to this lovely series of Mumbai street food. Have you ever noticed the dosa walas on the Mumbai street food? Especially outside any college, you will have at least 3 of them and they are buzzing with orders. I feel sandwich and dosa are two things which are like always busy, and the variety that he has is just amazing. So one of that dosa I'm going to show you, which is Mysore Masala Dosa. Nothing Mysore about it, but just the recipe is super. So let's make Mysore Masala Dosa. So to make Mysore Masala Dosa, there is one thing which is very peculiar about the dosa, and that is the chutney, and it is red chutney. So we need to first make the red chutney. So for which I need dry red chillies, and to which I'm going to add, this is roasted gram and some garlic, some salt. Won't add water right now, we'll just blend this first. We need to add some water and make this chutney into a wet paste. So let's add water to this. So the red chutney for the Mysore masala is done. And this chutney is something that you can always make and keep and use it for various other preparations also. So the red chutney is done. What I have here is a nice aloo bhaji, a potato bhaji which you generally make with every masala dosa. So that bhaji I need. And apart from that, I need some chopped onion, some chopped tomatoes and some chopped capsicum. That's about it. Now the tawa here that I have placed is also getting hot, and I have a ready-made dosa batter. We've shown umpteen recipes of dosa, so you can follow one of those recipes and make the batter. So this is a well-fermented dosa batter, but this is a little thick. I'm going to add some water to this. So the dosa batter is done. It has salt also. Just that you need to keep less of salt when you're making a Mysore masala dosa, because there are a lot of other elements which has salt. So now what you do is pour a ladle full of batter here and just spread it. Now on this, let's just put some butter and the red chutney that we had made. So after you've put the chutney and the butter, you have to now spread this, but let the butter melt completely. Then we'll spread the chutney. So just like this, spread the chutney all over the dosa. Nice. Now what I have here is an aloo bhaji, the regular potato bhaji which you make to make masala dosas. What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it on one side of this, like here. And then there are some toppings which you can just spread over the dosa like this. One is chopped capsicum, some chopped tomatoes, some chopped onions, maybe a little bit of chaat masala, a little bit of cumin powder, and a pinch of red chilli powder. Okay, so now what's happening is that the dosa is getting crispy from the base. The aloo bhaji is going to stay as it is, and the tomatoes that we've put will go slightly soft, but it need not be very soft, because that's how it's supposed to be. And now what we're going to do is we're going to roll this up, cut it into pieces and serve. This is how Mysore masala dosa is served on the streets of Mumbai. So just flatten this up like this and now start rolling it up. Hot, doesn't matter, roll it up and bring it onto a chopping board. So after you have got this onto the chopping board, take a knife and cut it. And this is how they serve. Very simple, very tasty, ekdam street food of Mumbai, Mysore Masala Dosa recipe especially for you. Do make this and I'm sure you're going to love it. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe.